Hi guys, in today's video I'll show you how to stabilize tilt shots, basically videos that move vertically. Let's get started. First, pre-compose your layer. To stay organized, I will rename the pre-comp to tracking. Make sure move all attributes and adjust composition duration are selected, then click OK. Now double-click the pre-composed layer to go inside it. Go to the tracker panel and click Track Camera, then wait for After Effects to finish analyzing the footage. Once the analysis is complete, select a few tracking points on the object you want to stabilize. For example, I'll select these three here. Right-click and choose Create Solid and Camera. After that, adjust the solid's orientation so it faces the camera properly. Then scale it down to a smaller size so it's easier to work with. Next, enable Proportional Grid from the View options. This helps you clearly see the exact center of the screen, which is important for keeping the shot perfectly centered. As you can see, the solid sits right on this grid intersection. What we need to do now is keep the solid locked in that exact position for the entire clip so the vertical movement gets stabilized. If you play back the video right now, you'll notice the solid moves along with the object. That's not helpful for stabilization, because we need the solid to stay locked in one fixed position. To fix this, go to the beginning of the layer, press P to reveal the position property, and click the stopwatch to create a keyframe. Then move to the end of the layer and adjust the Y position until the solid lines up exactly with the same grid point as it did at the start. Thanks to the proportional grid, you can align it very precisely. Preview the clip again to check the result. It may not be perfectly locked, but it should be stable enough to work with. Now toggle off the original footage layer so you can see only the solid. Go back to the main composition, make sure you're at the beginning of the timeline, and click Stabilize Motion to start the lock-on stabilization process. Zoom in a little so you can clearly see the solid. Drag the track point onto the solid and resize the tracking box so it's slightly larger than the solid itself. Next, click Options, choose RGB, enable Adapt feature on every frame, and click OK. Now press Analyze Forward and wait for the tracking to finish. While the video is being analyzed, I want to mention 16:am film shake presets, created for speed ramp edits, cinematic edits, and more. Just drag and drop the presets, no plugins or extra installation required. Works seamlessly with Adobe After Effects on both Windows and Mac. Once it's complete, click Apply and confirm by hitting OK. You can now close the tracker panel and go back to the tracking composition where we created the solid. Turn your original clip back on and disable the solid layer. Back in the main composition, enable the grid lines and preview the video to check the stabilization and see if the object stays centered. Everything should look smooth. You might notice black edges appearing around the frame. That's normal after stabilization. To fix that, simply scale up the footage slightly until the black edges disappear. After that, you can fine-tune the position to perfectly recenter the object. And that's it. Your video is stabilized and ready to be edited. Hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed it, please give it a like.